Hello everyone. The next questions in the DVMS series are very important questions. The database's overall structure is maintained in a file is called what? A DD log file or data file or control file. Yes. Here the overall structure is maintained through control file. See here database overall structure is maintained in a file called control file. See here categories and software database even in database management. These all are maintained through control file. Which command we will give if you want to show the database objects with its description. Here to see all the description about database objects, we need details command. Okay. Then the first step in the transaction processing cycle is, what is the first step? First of all, to process the transaction, we have to capture the data, that is data entry. So data entry is the option. See here, transaction process cycle, capture the process data, scribing, business transactions, update the organizational database, and produce variety of formation products. Anyway, the transaction processing cycle has the following basic activity. First is data entry and database maintenance and document and report generation, inquiry processing. These are the transaction processing cycle activities. Next, the search method is conducted for a specific title, domain, URL, or host. Is a field. A field is a search method. Formats that are used to organize business data into rows and columns is a very easy question, that are spreadsheets. In the relational model, the cardinality is termed as, what is a cardinality? Number of tuples is called cardinality. Cardinality is a type of relationship between two tables. It is more of quantity types such as 1 to many, 1 to 0, or 1 to many. In other words, while the relationship may be there, they may not be matching data. And relational calculus is a non-procedural language. Okay, it is a non-procedural language. And view of total database content is a conceptual view. See here, the conceptual view is where it describes what data are actually stored in a database. It contains information about the entire database in terms of small and simple structures. It is a conceptual view. Cartesian product in relational algebra is a binary operator. Yes, definitely there should be two tables to perform Cartesian product. And DML is provided for manipulation and processing of data, that is data manipulation language. And as class is used for SQL for rename operation, row operation, we use as. ODBC stands for Open Database Connectivity, is a very important thing. And architecture of a database can be viewed in three levels. It's a common easy question. Database architecture can be viewed as three levels of abstraction: internal level, external level, and conceptual level. And database scheme is written in what language? It is the data definition language. Okay, the data definition language. Here, see, data scheme is written in DDL, data definition language or data description language, as a syntax similar to computer programming language for defining data structures, especially database schemes. In database table, the category of information is called a field. And in architecture of database system, external level is view level. Okay. Then external level is the highest level in the three-level architecture and closest to the user. It is also known as view level. The external level only shows the relevant database content to the users in the form of views and hides the rest of data. And next, entity set that does not have sufficient attributes to form a primary key is called a weak entity set. See here, the entity sets which does not have sufficient attributes to form a primary key are known as weak entity sets, and the entity sets which have a primary key are known as strong entity sets. In hierarchical model, records are organized in trees. It's an easy question. Wherever hierarchy word is there, the answer almost is tree. In an ear diagram, attributes are represented in ellipse. See here, a triangle or square bracket is entity, and diamond shape is representing a relationship, oval shape is attribute, and double square bracket or double rectangular is weak entity, and double diamond shape is a weak entity relationship, and double oval is a multi-valued attribute, and line underlined in double oval is key attribute, and the finally is a composite attribute. And next one is in case of entity integrity, the primary key may be not null. Okay, this is very important. And then the language used in application programs to request data from the DBMS is referred to as DML. Okay, it is a data manipulation language used in application programs uh, to request data from the data. DBMS is referred to as DML. Okay, is the system software for creating and managing databases. It is DBMS provides users and programmers with a systematic way to create, retrieve, update, and manage the data. Okay, all of you understand, I hope. Thank you.